Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm showing the top history to that supports iOS 15. So if I don't state it supports iOS 15, then it probably doesn't. You can still try it though at your own risk. I'm responsible for what happens to your device. That goes with all my videos on my channel. First tweak is called Reach Player, and what this tweak does, now playing info and reachability window, supports iOS 13 to 16.2. So sleek interface for your reachability window with now playing song. We have a pop, lock, and drop it. The main purpose of this tweak was to document how to use popovers on iOS for assistant hooks. So it gives you popovers for current battery percent by tapping the status bar, which all apps and no settings to configure. It supports iOS 13 to 16.2. We have no widget labels, hide only labels of widgets. It supports iOS 14 to 16.2. Only hides labels of widgets instead of all labels. Alright, we have battery notch, which represents battery around the notch. Supports iOS 11 to 15.7.2. So if iOS 11 15 on notch devices, iPhone X up to the iPhone 13 represents the battery percentage around the notch using a thin colored line that shrinks towards the middle of the notch as the battery drains. This tweak is called Watch Sounds and changes the stock notification sounds and vibrations. Supports iOS 11 to 15.7.2 of third-party applications to the Apple Watch. We have music background, sign artworks, lock screen, control center. Supports iOS 14 to 15.7.2. So adds artwork to the background of Apple Music, Control Center, lock screen, Spotify, Tidal, CarPlay. So only been tested for iOS 14 and 15. We have Shadow. It's a modern jailbreak detection bypass for jailbroken iOS. So hopefully allows you to get into some apps or games that have jailbreak detection on them. We have HookKit framework. It's iOS 2 developer framework, unified code substitution, APIs, and runtime. Developer package, sources available on GitHub. Camera shutter. Disables the shutter noise when you take a photo in the camera application. So iOS 10 to 12.4. We have safe mode mute toggle. This test on iOS 14, but show on iOS 10 and up. It's a toggle mute switch to invoke safe mode. We have Mary. Put an image for the dialer, passcode, or share sheet background. Center labels. Center all the labels in the main settings. Supports iOS 13 to 16.2.